What I've found as a professor of chemistry in college is that most students don't get extra help or seek tutoring because they don't have available time. A lot of students are raising families, or if they're in high school, they have activities, they're in swim classes or in some sport, and they just don't have time to do it, and they don't make time to do it. And most people aren't available to support them at those times. Parents come home, they're exhausted, and the last thing they want to do is teach chemistry, which they don't remember practically anything of. Maybe they remember a little bit of it, but not enough detail to support you or your student in acing an exam. So what I've done is I've made myself available in the early hours when people need me the most, or the late hours when people need me the most. So I'm available as early as 4 a.m. and as late as 12 a.m. and even later if needed for emergency sessions. So give me a call, let's set up an appointment, let's get you on track, let's get your student on track. Whatever your need is, I'm your chem tutor and I can help you get there. I look forward to serving you. Bye.